So, the fogging, sanitizing a daycare, all the toys, all the everything. There's a fogger. So, with the coronavirus and any colds and viruses, this is a good thing to do. It'll get on all the surfaces. You see it on the walls, and it vaporizes. And so we're doing a fogging process with an antimicrobial in this daycare. This is a good thing to do you can do your home, you can do your business, daycare, your commercial building for people at work. There's something we can do. It's a very good thing to do. Kills germs. And check us out, www.navescleaning.com. Cleaning all your hard and soft surfaces, restoration services, water damage, sanitizing. Let us know if we can help you, especially with this virus going around and the cold and all. Let us know.